Hi, I'm Jamie. This is the ALS Pepper Challenge. This is a habanero pepper, and PD here was diagnosed back in March, so eating it for him. If every single one of my followers could go donate, that'd be great. Check the link in the profile. I'm nominating Andrew Soriano, Courtney Lancaster, and my boy Justin Timberlake. I know you can do it, and shout out to Kelly Clarkson for already doing it. Here goes nothing. It's easy.
Going straight to that chocolate.
Who's Jamie doing?
He's suffering.
I'm dying. I'm not gonna make it. I get the hiccups.
Don't put some in your bowl.
I'm done.
Jamie! What do you need? Some water? Beer?
Oh, he needs a Heimlich.